I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Now it is time, Mrs. Jayashree, I request Mrs. Jayashree to give a presentation on Child Awareness Program.
I was prepared for a PPT presentation, but after seeing Dr. Bhaktiyar Chaudhary, even I've got the power to do without a PowerPoint presentation. Is it working? Is it working? 1 minute by the parents and her family members. Okay, going ahead with my presentation, I would like to start with saying that home is the first point for the child. That's where the learning is done. Yes, school comes second. Home is the place where the child is going to learn. So it is going to really matter how much the parents are willing to offer to them as a time or their attention, or with the 2 open ears. Finally, a child needs your ears, because he's full of questions, full of queries. So it's the parent who has to be open to all these things. I'll tell you why. Because it's a one-to-one there at home. It is just you and your child. Definitely you can give some time. And second, the bond between the mother and child is there. So that's why I insist that home is the learning main stage. Second comes the school. Now here, why is child awareness important to you? Why is child awareness important to you? You need to know what your child is capable of doing. You need to know what is to be told to your child, what the child at this age is ready to learn. So that's the main importance of the child awareness program. Here at DRS Kids, we make it a point to have an environment, to create an environment for your child wherein his basic questioning nature is further kindled. We invite questions by the parents. Parents at home also, when your child is asking questions, please do not brush them away as, अभी time नहीं है बाद में, because you don't have the answers. So इसलिए क्या हो जाता है, you people, just brush off these things. Do not do that. Because this is the age between 2 and 5, research has shown that the questioning age, inquisitive age in the child is there. So encourage the children to ask questions. Try to find answers. These days answers are very easy to find with your nets, there to help you. Because between 2 and 5, they really onto the age for questioning, creative, and lot of inquisitiveness. At DRS Kids, we strongly believe that the methodology to be taught is inquiry method. We want the questions coming from the child. The teacher, along with the child, is going to find the answer. Teacher is not going to give the answer. This is not a traditional school where the child asks questions and teacher answers, or the teacher asks questions, child answers. No. We are separate. We are unique. We believe we are unique. We want each child. We also believe that all your children are unique. We are going to handle them in such a way. So inquiry method is what we strongly believe in. And we want your child to be communicative. At home also, you can communicate with your child. It's not that, okay, English comes later. But first, let him communicate to you in his mother tongue. Communication is most important. And we want your child to be compassionate. He has to be caring. He has to understand the people around him. The social skill which you call in children. I will talk about the 5 skills which we are going to address in the child. So we want him to be caring, sharing. Finally, when he grows up out of the school, we want him to have a commonness that all are same. They are all my fellow men. Otherwise, why is there so much of war around the world? We are not able to understand that, he can be a Pakistani, he can be a Iraqi, he can be a Palestine, but we are all one. We strongly believe in this at DRS Kids. That's why we have something called multicultural education. We teach our children that there are people around the world speaking different languages. People around the world eating different kinds of food. But finally, it's all a one big world. It's a small world. We are all part of this world. So reflection is a very important part of the teaching methodology at DRS Kids. Now coming to the fact, you all know that as Dr. Bhaktiyar also would agree, the age period between 2 and 5, which we call the early childhood age, is when you are giving your child to us. You are taking complete trust in us. We value your trust very much. We are going to keep your trust on our, the most important thing in our work. And we want him to shine because the research has also shown that the maximum learning which a child does, 50% of the learning which a child does is between this age group, and the later, it just becomes 80%. This is the major age time. Whatever they see, they grasp. Let it be good or bad. They don't know to differentiate. It is we who will have to differentiate for them. They can grasp in everything. So it is our most important duty as teachers and parents to give the right knowledge at the right time to your child. So welcome to DRF Kids. Now here, what are we addressing in the children? As the children grow, as the child's body develops, right? Parents, I'm warning now, do not expect your children to start writing down from day one. We do not prepare your child to write from day one, no. We want the child to have all the required exercises, to have a good pincer grip. Pincer grip is what you call when you hold your pencil. So in playgroup, all we do with your child is give him lots of fine motor exercises because these muscles have not been developed at all. He has been crawling, he has been standing, he is walking. All the time it is only the body muscles which are developing. What about your fine finger muscles? There is no activity given or no exercises given. At home